How to play YouTube app on picture-in-picture mode on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of YouTube application on your device and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Now open up your YouTube application and you can just tap on any of the video that you want. So for example, if I'm going to go for the particular video over here,
नमस्कार दोस्तों साल
so as I can see, there's no direct option to get it
1945
into the picture-in-picture mode. So let's tap on the settings option over here. So as you can see, there's no option over here as well. You can have lock screen, caption, playback mode and speed, and loop video ambient mode, stable volume, watch in VR, and so on. But there's no option of using the picture-in-picture mode on Android right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.